Hello everyone, welcome back to Primo Mechatronics, and this is your first time joining us. I implore you to watch the first video in the series for context and so you don't miss out. And I apologize now for the beeping in the video. That has been rectified and won't be occurring again. Previously, I had implemented a PID controller and briefly explained what a PID controller is. I stopped just short of showing the controller in action while I fine-tuned the gain values and cleaned up the code. While doing that, I realized an issue with the vehicle itself. It's kind of old. I've had it for near 4 years now and I put it through hell. And I think it's run its race. So I'm going to have to switch this out for a newer, relatively speaking, a newer chassis. Pay no heed to the post at the back with the thing sticking out of it. But really, the reason for the post at the back is that this thing tends to keel forward when it's just about to stop or when it's stop starting, and it just keeps on doing this all the time. So I need something to counteract the weight with the batteries in front at the bottom. And this doesn't look very pretty, but it works. And now, through the magic of filmmaking, voila! Oh, hold on. Let's try again. Who knew magic could be so damn sloppy? Okay, all done. I've gutted out the old chassis and moved everything over to this one. And, well, now we have a problem. Because the old gain values that I used for the other chassis won't work on this, because now this is a new system with different characteristics, and now I need to retune the gains, and well, wasn't really working the last time, so I was going to have to retune the gains anyway, but now I most definitely have to, so let's see how that goes.